Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So this is a quick video, guys. I think I just found a loophole to get Uber's sick pay policy. Now, let me just throw a quick disclaimer out there. I'm an Uber driver. This is just something that I found. And if you need some quick cash right now, Uber announced their Uber sick pay policy. Basically what they're doing is they're paying drivers 14 days of sick paid leave, or paid sick leave, not sick paid leave. Paid sick leave. I don't know, whatever. They just created a new policy, a new update, and I don't think they realized what they just did, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is really quickly. Let me sync up my phone here. Here we go, guys. It's on uber.com. This is their new update. Let me see what you guys think about this. An update on COVID-19 financial assistance. The last few weeks have been hard for everyone. I know Uber, it has been tough. But we know they have been particularly tough for drivers and delivery people like you. So what are they doing? They're giving drivers 14 days of paid sick leave. If you already got it, you can't get it again, so it's just for first timers, sorry. So with fewer people moving around, many of you earning less than usual, we launched the Work Hub, which is basically a job to get at Domino's. I'm not even joking. They literally want you to apply at Domino's. To help keep, nothing as Domino's, but like, okay. To help keep you safe, over the last month we've provided financial assistance to drivers and delivery people diagnosed with COVID-19 or ordered to self-quarantine or self-isolate by a doctor or public health authority. We moved quickly to announce this policy, even though acting quickly meant moving forward limited information because we believed the most important thing to do was to provide support as soon as possible. Since then, many of you have told us that the new policy we originally launched supported too few drivers, and the process to get funds has been complicated, so we're revising our policy in two ways. We're focusing our assistance on those of you who are still actively driving and delivering, so they're only doing current drivers, which I'm going to get to in a second. We are expanding eligibility to include drivers and delivery people who have been told to individually quarantine because they have pre-existing health conditions, blah 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 blah. Applying under the new policy. You see these top two? Those were already there. The third one, that's the new one. We'll aim to process your request in 7 days. The prior one, so you had to have done at least one ride before March 6th. That was the qualification. But now, look at their wording here. You will need to have completed one trip or delivery in the 30 days before the date on your submitted documents for the date you reached out to Uber financial assistance, whichever is earlier. We're making this change to focus our support on efforts. So look guys, do you see that? You have to have completed one trip or one delivery. So literally, if you want to get paid, what do you have to do? Go out and do, and you're not currently driving to qualify, go out and do one ride or literally one delivery. Go do a delivery. Go through the drive-thru. You don't even need to be in contact with anyone. Go do a delivery on Uber Eats. And what they're gonna do, they're gonna look at your average earnings over the past 3 months. So whatever your average earnings are over the 3 months, I guess they're gonna pay up to 14 days. I don't really know what that is. Maximum amount. They launched this new maximum amount, which is pretty bogus, but whatever. In LA, it's $450, Columbus, $240. In Texas, it's only $136 in Rio Grande Valley, but hey, money is money, right? And if you need money right now, go out and do this. Who cares? Your account will get deactivated for 14 days. I believe that's what it said. Did they say that? I don't know. I think you probably will get deactivated. Oh yeah, here we go. We're continuing our policy of giving you a minimum payment of $50 if you drive or deliver in the US, even if you've only done one trip. So in the past 3 months, if you haven't done any rides, go out and do a ride or a delivery and you'll at least get $50. $50 is $50, right? Why not? That'll pay for your groceries for a week. You get free groceries for a week for doing this. And I think it said, oh yeah, even though your account is on hold, we'll still need to review your application to determine if you qualify. Okay. Yeah, so I think your account does get on hold. I was trying to find that because I know some of you guys were worried about getting your account suspended. If you don't plan on going out and driving for 2 weeks, it doesn't really matter, but if you want your account, then you obviously don't do this if you plan on driving and making money, but if you want the paid sick leave, I don't know. That's all I have, guys. I just want to share that info with you guys because I figured why not. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.